If you've come across Fauna Sports, faunasports.uk, while shopping for football kits online, you may be wondering if the site is trustworthy. While their website promotes premium football jerseys and promises top-tier service, customer feedback tells a different story. With a 1.7-star rating on Trustpilot based on 17 reviews, many users have raised concerns you should know about before placing an order. Fauna Sports markets itself as a retailer offering the latest football trends, including retro jerseys and sought-after kits. They claim to source products from reliable suppliers and highlight their commitment to affordability and quality. The site also promotes a 30-day return and exchange policy and responsive customer service to back up its promises. However, recent customer experiences shared on Trustpilot suggest otherwise. Most reviewers cite issues such as poor communication after placing an order, delayed or missing deliveries, receiving incorrect or low-quality items, difficulty getting refunds or support. These negative reviews indicate potential problems with both fulfillment and customer service. Despite marketing claims of going above and beyond for shoppers, many buyers report feeling ignored or misled. In contrast to trusted online jersey retailers, Fauna Sports lacks transparency in some key areas. There is limited company information on the website, no clear social media presence, and contact options are minimal. For a company that claims to value strong customer relationships, this raises red flags. So, is Fauna Sports legit or a scam? Based on current feedback, it's best to proceed with caution. While it's possible that some customers have had positive experiences, the number of consistent negative reviews suggests there may be systemic issues with order fulfillment and support. If you're looking for reliable football kits or retro jerseys, consider shopping with well-reviewed retailers that have verified customer service and transparent business practices. In summary, faunasports.uk currently has a poor reputation among buyers, with multiple reports of unfulfilled orders and slow communication. Until the company improves its reliability and customer care, it may be wise to explore other options. Always check recent reviews, and when in doubt, use secure payment methods that offer buyer protection.